Hello Designaholics, welcome back.
Today let's create a watercolor effect for our images. So here I've taken a 1000 by 1000 pixels file. I have a texture file that I will attach in the description below. You can download it. Import the image that you want to create a watercolor effect for. This is a green-tailed sunbird. I took this picture in Gangtok.
Select the image and change the blending mode to multiply. Now go to filters, select blur, smart blur, and I have kept the radius as 5 and the threshold as 25 and the quality to high. Click OK. Click on filters again, go to filter gallery, select brush strokes, angle strokes, direction balance is 70, stroke length is 13, and sharpness is 0. Then click OK. Go to filter gallery again. This time go to artistic, select watercolor. The brush detail will be the highest 14. Or shadow intensity 4 or texture 2, then OK. Now, keep the layer selected and press Alt plus click on the mask. Take the brush. I have attached the brush in the description below. You can download it. Use the brush and click on the file. You will get a beautiful watercolor effect for your image. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to learn more tricks like this.